Hello everyone, this is Akash Chauhan, and in today's lecture we will focus on how to build our first servlet based project. So we will start from very scratch. So it would be super easy for you guys to build your own servlet based projects. So as we have already seen in the previous lecture, I would request you all to go through my previous lecture and then only do come to this lecture to build a servlet based project. Okay, so in our last lecture we have seen that we have three ways to build a servlet. Either we implement a servlet interface, it is the interface, or we extend generic servlet abstract class or HTTP servlet abstract class. If we are supposed to implement servlet based interface, in that scenario we have to give the implementation of all the methods. If we are extending generic servlet or HTTP servlet, in case of generic servlet you have to provide the definition of its service method because it is undefined in the generic servlet class. So this method you have to provide the definition. In case of HTTP servlet, you have to provide the definition of at least one of its methods like doGet or doPost. So in today's lecture, we will focus how to develop a servlet using HTTP servlet because this is quite common over the internet because we generally use HTTP protocol. And this uh, servlet is quite specific to the HTTP protocol. Okay, generic servlet is open for all type of protocol, but HTTP servlet is basically will be invoked by the HTTP protocol only. So let's develop the let's start to build a servlet based project in which we will extend this class and implement one of these methods. Okay, so the process of creating the base project is similar to the JSP one we have seen earlier. Okay, so you go to the file, new, and then dynamic web project. Simply write let's say okay, 6 servlet projects. Okay, go to the next. Simply go to the next, and we need the web XML file as well. So I have, I think, mentioned in the last lecture as well that for the mapping thing regarding the servlet, we need web XML file. We will see and how to use it and what content we need to write inside the web XML file when we will be invoking the servlet. So this is the project name actually. Okay, it is not servlet. It is 6 SAM servlet project. Okay, simply finish it. Okay, so in this project, if you look at it, okay, so we have in the previous unit in regarding JSP, we were creating content inside the web content, simply writing new and JSP files. But here, servlet is built upon Java, so we have to add Java code inside the Java resource. So as this source folder is there, where we will add our servlets. Servlet is based nothing but the Java based, structure based, or the framework based Java classes. So simply create your own package first of all. Okay, so let's say servlet, simply finish it.